Hello, students. Good morning. How are you? Students, this is our chapter 1. Yesterday, I take a class, so that is available in the Moodle. Okay. So all the classes, morning 8:30 to 9:30. Okay, every day. Actually, today class, I am going to record it in Zoom. Okay, because yesterday only one student came, early morning class. That's why I recorded and I put in the YouTube for your references also. Okay. So today class, there is no interactive class. All the students are listening the why this PowerPoint and my video and follow the classes questions. So this already we finished. You can check the last class because I am not going to teach again and again because the problem is we have more number of chapters to finish it. Important thing, what is strategic information system, triangle, then other information. What is the purpose of strategic information system? List 5 reasons why business managers should participate in IS decisions. Business view, we have 3 important resources of the business: people, money, and machine. The people and technology together. What is the purpose of Web 2.0? The Web 2.0 is a very important application that facilitate information sharing, user-centered design, interoperability, then collaboration among the users. That is more important. That's why in the strategic information system, the information strategy mainly using Web 2.0. Then social business lens. In this edition of the text, we introduced a new feature of social business lens. What is that one actually? Explosions of the customer based on the technology coupled with this, applications such as Facebook. So you can do the strategic information system for our triangle: business strategy, organizational strategy, and information strategy. So any business, we need organizational strategy and information strategy. The Facebook, Rerun, Sina Weibo, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Foursquare, Skype, then Pinterest, and more have brought into the focus the concept of social business. That is social networking and its business. If we define social IT, we have here question 1, business, define business lens, then define social IT. The social IT is a technology used for collaboration, networking, and the general interaction between the people over the web. People over the web. Web 2.0. You know, in the strategic information system, we are using Web 2.0. What are the different Web 2.0? I explaining here. You know already World Wide Web. Main applications we need to develop for using our strategic information system concept over the networking, internetwork. So interaction between the people over the web, more important. These include the social network and other applications that provide the interaction between the people. Enterprise use social IT. Enterprise means the company use the social IT for business applications. Activity and process is called social business. So what is social IT? Then social business. Social business lens. This is the business that we are going to do over the using social networking. What are the different type of social networking? We have Facebook, we can use it, and other kind of computer, customer-based, consumer-based technology coupled with applications. That is business, social business lens. Then social IT, then social business. Using social IT, we are doing business applications. Activities and processes are called social businesses. Many use them the term is called social media. Social media as an overarching term for this space, but increasingly social media refers to the marketing and sales applications of social IT. Marketing and sales applications of social IT. We use it that way. Social networking or a specific tool like Facebook, Ning, and similar tools. Social networking is the use of this type of IT tools in the community. Okay. These are all the important terms for our midterm exam. So in the concept of managerial role, what is this one? The skill of useful manager. If you are a manager in the company, what you should have? You should have a structural, informational, interpersonal, and visionary. If you are a manager, you must have a visionary, creativity. The skill should be a creativity. So the creativity, the ability to transform the resources and create something new to the organization. Then curiosity, the ability to question and learn about new idea, applications, technology, and business models. Confidence, focus on business solutions, flexibility, and interpersonal and informational and interpersonal communication skill, listening. Then you have interpersonal skills also needed. Structurally, you have project management, analytical skills, organizational skills, and planning skills. So management skill, analytical skills, project management, analytical skills, organizational skills, and planning skills. So these things are needed for a manager. So as you know, we have the project management ability to do like that. Okay. Analytical skill, the ability to break down the your whatever you have, that going to be break down the problem into the elements, easy to understand, analyze. The ability to bring together organizational skills, distinct elements combined together, and planning skills, the ability to develop the objectives and allocate the resources to ensure the objectives are met or not. So these things were useful manager. The questions will be list 3 managerial roles of the manager and list any 4 or 5 structural skills, informational, interpersonal skills, visionary skills of the manager. Classic management model, planning and organizing, leading and controlling. Manager think through their goal of the organization, action in advance. Their actions are usually based on the method, plan, logic, rather than a hunch or gut feeling. Organizing, manager coordinate the human and managerial resources of the organization. The effectiveness of the organization depends on its ability to direct its resources to attain its goal. Leading, manager directs, influences, subordinates, and getting other perform essential tasks by establishing the proper atmosphere. They help their subordinate to do their work best. Leading, controlling, manager attempt to ensure that the organization is moving towards its goal. If the part of this organization is on the wrong track, manager try to find out why and setting the right things for the organization. These are all the classical management model. So question, list 4 factors of classical management model. Okay, important. Then you have managers roles. What are the different role it possible? With information system example. The type of role, interpersonal, informational, and decisional. Decision. You need to take a decision. You need to make more informational. What do you mean by interpersonal? Interpersonal, figurehead, leader, liaison. CIO greets the touring dignitaries. IS manager put long hours to help the motivate the project team to complete the project and schedule the environment of heavy budget cut. Chief Information System Officer, CIO. Okay. That is IS example. These are all the examples. CIO works with the marketing and human resource vice president and then reward the compensation system is charged to encourage the use of new IS supporting sales. These are all the different things like informational, monitor, discriminator, and spokesperson. So we have the different idea about the example. Just go through the example and understand. Now the exam purpose, for example, write manager's role for decisionals like entrepreneur, then disturbance handler, resource allocator, navigator. Then, for example, entrepreneur. You know entrepreneurship, the one of the course in your study plan. Division manager suggests an application of new technology that improve the division's operational efficiency. For example, resource allocator, CIO allocates additional personal position to various departments based upon the business strategy. So these are all some of the important questions for the midterm and final examination. Hierarchical view of the firm. If you are working in any company, for example, Bank Muscat, Oman Allergy, OMIFCO, or any company, ministry, any company, what you need to do? We have the business view and functional view. So far, we discussed the business view. So we have a business, IT as a critical resources for the today's business. That means without IT, there is no business. Without IT, no business. So how without IT, I need to do business? Then you can do the business in the souk only. We cannot do in the commercial corporate sectors. Information technologies are critical resources for today's business. It supports and consumes significant amount of organization resources. Mainly if you have a company, more than 90% of work should be completed. We need IT and information systems. Business related, only 10% nowadays. So functional view, we have a totally business view and functional view. In the functional view, the classical view of the business is based on the functions that people perform, such as accounting, finance, marketing, operations, the human resources. Business organization around these functions to cooperate, coordinate them to gain the economics of sales within the specialized set of tasks. Information first flow vertically up and down between line position and management. After analyzing it may be transmitted across for other functions for use elsewhere in the company. What are the different things we needed for the functional view of the hierarchical of the firm company? First, information flow, accounting, operations, marketing, sales and support. For these things, executive management is there. Process view, business view, functional view, process view. We have a business view, functional view, this one. Then you have a process view. The process view, we are following the Michael Porcher, the Harvard Business School described the business terms of the primary and support activity that are support to create, delivery and support the product and services. The primary activities inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales service chain together in sequence that describe how a business transforms its raw material into value creating product. So what are the different things? Inbound logistics, we write here. Operation, outbound logistics, sales and services. Inbound, coming inside to the company, how it will be coming by the supplier. Operations, after that processing and sent out of the out from your company. Marketing and sales services. Then in between, we need firm infrastructure, human resource management, technology development, and procurement. So what are the different view possible in the information, strategic information system? Business view, functional view, and process view. Process view, this is a diagram. Process view of the firm, value chain model. In the comparison, we have any company, three basic factors: data, information, and knowledge. If you define the data, everybody knows in the world what is data. Simple observation, that state of the world. Raw fact, some of you say that. Information, data endowed with relevance and purpose. Knowledge, information from the human mind, include reflection, synthesis, context. Characteristics of the data: easily structured, easily captured, often quantified, easily transformed, mere facts. Mere facts. Characteristics: requires unit of analysis informations, data that have been processed, human meditations necessary. Human meditations necessary. Hard to structure the knowledge. We need artificial intelligence to structure our knowledge. Difficult to capture on machines. Often tactic. Hard to transfer. Example, daily inventory report of inventory items sent to the chief executive officer of the larger manufacturing company is called the data. Information, daily inventory report of item that are below economic order quantity level sent to the inventory manager. That is the information. Daily inventory report item that are below economic order quantity. EOQ. We will discuss what is EOQ after economical order quantity, because we are teaching in entrepreneurship, that is enterprise resource planning. Also we are teaching EOQ. We have a EOQ formula also available. Economic order quantity is fixed by the business. For example, less than 200 items, we need to add like that. Knowledge, inventory manager know which item need to be recorded in light of daily inventory report, anticipated the labor strikes and flood in Brazil that affects the supply of the major components, like that. So these are all the things we need to discuss about. A lot of things. So far, we finished up to data, information, and knowledge. So the remaining things we will be discussing. Then what is more important? We have here, social business lens. Then we have managerial level of model. Brief overview of information system strategy. What is IS strategy? What is organizational strategy? Those things are also given for you in the chapter. What IS strategy matrix, hardware, software, networking, and data. What, who, where, important. Business strategy, organizational strategy, IS strategy. What is business strategy? What is organizational strategy? What is IS strategy? Discussion questions, case study, and questions. Here we given two case study, Lego and Google, and questions. These things you read the case study and answer the questions. Any question you couldn't understand, ask me, I will explain. Okay, this is for assignment 1. Okay, students, thank you very much for this today's class. Everybody should listen this video and understand. You have any doubt, we will discuss on Thursday morning class, okay, if possible. Otherwise, I will put the video, okay. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.